Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make veggie quesadillas, only way. Gather tortillas, shredded cheese, bell peppers, onions, mushrooms, cilantro, oil, salt, and a skillet before you start. Heat the skillet, sauté vegetables until tender, assemble quesadillas, and cook until golden and melty. Serve with salsa, sour cream, or guacamole and slice into wedges for easy sharing. This method keeps fillings crisp and cheese perfectly melted every time. Use medium heat to avoid burnt tortillas while achieving melted cheese and crisp veggies. Pre-grate cheese for faster melting and mix cheddar with Monterey Jack for stretchy texture. Add protein like black beans or tofu if desired, and press quesadillas gently while cooking. Rest quesadillas for a minute before cutting to reduce filling spill and improve slices. Experiment with spices like smoked paprika, cumin, or chili powder for bold. Start by slicing vegetables thinly so they cook quickly and evenly in the skillet. Warm one tortilla briefly, layer cheese, vegetables, and more cheese to help sealing. Cook 2 to 3 minutes per side until golden brown, flipping gently with a spatula. Use a low lid while cooking to trap heat and ensure cheese fully melts without burning the outside. Slice into wedges and serve hot with your chosen dips for immediate enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.